So now when we are having this series of higher high, higher low, 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 higher high,
Mm.
lower low. What are we having here? We
Okay.
are having our
Break of structure.
break of structure. On this thing
Yeah.
where you fit do, you can only do this thing on when price approach your supply, or when price is on your supply or on your demand, and you want to
Okay.
make sure that this supply, you, because we don't know the supply that will hold. Me and you don't know the supply that will hold. That's the reason why sometimes you have supply here, or demand here. Price will break so demand and respect the other demand, because me, I don't know the demand. The only way we can know the demand or supply that will hold market is when we have the demand or the supply break structure, substructure. That's why they call it confirmation entry. Aggressive entry, as price just tap in now, you wan just sell because price just approach your supply. E never break substructure, because substructure just dey like, now, just dey like you go first born as small pikin before you go fit be big man.
Okay. Yeah.
But despite say you go first born as small pikin, as baby, before you be adult, e no mean say baby get power pass adult.
Mm,
So na so e just dey. Okay, if dis level, dis area, when price get to dis supply na adult. But before we wan know say dis supply go work, make dis supply wey be adult and make im first born pikin first. So the
okay.
burning of pikin, e go just dey like the break of substructure break. So yeah, e break dat substructure. So as im break dat substructure, e don tell us say e don born pikin. So what we need to do, we mark dis area
Mm,
as our MSS, market structure shift. After the market structure shift, what do we have? So that will be our entry from this level. We mark the supply that caused that substructure MSS shift. Next confirmation will set to the downside.
okay.
Set to the downside. We'll target our trend line liquidity. So if the target, you know say this one na pullback you want the trade. So from here, this is our trend line. We can see this. You know say this one now, no, e no stress us to align all together. It's very easy for you to align them together. So this is our trend line. Because the reason why I'm marking this trend line, people that are trading with trend line, when price tap on their trend line, they buy to the upside. When price tap on their trend line, they are
Yeah.
expecting to buy to the upside. Normal retail trader wey we dey trade, na so e dey be. So here will be my
Mm-hmm.
trend line liquidity target. So I will target from here to here. So this is like 1:8 ratio reward. You get wetin I dey observe these days? I just want to check this thing. If I check this thing, e work for me very well, I go try backtest am.
Okay.
I go try backtest am like 2 3 years interval. I go backtest from like 2028, 2020 to 2026, or 2022 to 2026, like 4 5 years
Mm,
interval backtest am. If the thing dey
yeah.
work very well, na only that thing, because I don dey see am, e dey give me wetin I want. But I no go just decide on that one now based on say wetin dey give me now. I go just decide say okay, ma dey pay
Mm.
at ten tion to only that one.
Which confluence? Which one are you talking about? The trend line.
Not trend line. I don't want to trade with trend. I don't trade with trend line. Every trend line I have on market is my trend line liquidity.
Mm. Which confluence?
When I get the information, I go let you know. I want backtest am within this week. No say me,
Okay.
I just dey like mentor. So before I go bring anything, say make person start to dey do, I want to make sure that
Yeah.
that thing don dey actually work. No be wetin I go dey tell you say go do am,
Mm,
when me I never even try am, the thing work or e no work.
yeah. 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 Yeah.
Me
Yeah.
I never get edge to am. The person wey I dey teach now, we go just dey there dey mumu ourselves. So
Okay.
that's the same thing. Even if we have supply here, this will be our MSS, because we are having series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low,
Mm,
higher high,
no, no.
lower low, lower high, lower low. So we have our break of structure here.
Mm,
So this will be my MSS. But I can only do this thing if I have supply. I no dey see any clear supply for you. You know this one will have supply on this one, but this one I no dey see supply. So na here for be my confirmation for me to sell from.
mm.
You go see say this
Okay.
thing wey I dey tell you e dey very easy. But if
Yeah.
I go target my trend line, this we have trend line here. I have this trend line here. Target this my trend line, so I have something like this. Trend line debate. E go dey very easy for you, but if any level wey you dey find dis thing no align with any supply, any higher time frame supply, either 4 hour supply or 1 hour supply or daily supply, no try dis thing o.
Okay.
Or daily time frame demand or 4 hour time frame demand, no try dis thing. So dats what I mean.
Okay.
Abi do you have any question for
Okay.
me?
Oh no, no, no. But you see the trades you send me, the indices trades. Now, because of that, I've come to like the indices space very, very well.
Which
Now, I really, really like the indices space. You see, like the AUS 200,
okay.
UK 30. Those ones are they are very, very volatile.
Yes.
Better than forex. Yeah,
Yes,
better
yes,
than
yes.
forex.
Yes.
I
So
wish, I wish. Do they have the same behavior? Today I was checking the AUS 200. I wanted to re-enter, but I missed the entry.
okay.
So yeah, I missed the entry. I was asleep.
It happens sometimes. So that's the
Yeah,
confirmation I use on this pair. People that are trading with normal demand and supply,
trying.
any tap like this, they are selling. Sorry, any
Mm,
tap on their supply, they are selling. Me, I no wan sell that supply. I wan make sure say that supply wey be adult, make him fit born pikin before I go put am for place. Say this one now don become father.
okay.
Same thing. Even the setup I send, that's why I always wait for on all my setup. Maybe from tomorrow,
Mm,
maybe if I have any opportunity tomorrow to take any trade, mo ma analyse one chart. If we get any confirmation to take any trade, I fit take am, but e no good to
okay.
take trade for night o, because na another now check one thing, na as 100. E no good to take trade for night, but anything
Last
for
100 chat. I stopped the trade down. The chat be too messy.
e show you shege.
Several times. Several times. Mhm,
This market has been bullish.
mhm.
This na 100 has been bullish. So on monthly time frame, we have demand here. This thing, e be like say this thing no dey respect, e no dey come respect, e dey leave order behind, dey run dey go, e dey leave order
Mhm.
behind. So this is what I'm having on
Yeah.
daily time frame. On monthly time frame, let's check on daily time frame. So something like this. We have our imbalance here, making this valid. We have our imbalance here, making it valid for me. So as long as price dey give me this confirmation, so this will be my daily strong. Okay, weekly and daily na
Quickly
same.
strong. Yeah.
So weekly and daily na same thing wey dem dey do. So because of this, I go leave this one here, because this
Okay.
break structure here, this break this structure. Now because of say the market no too dey very clean to me, that's the reason why
Mm,
I'm moving to this time frame, this time frame. So let me check on my daily analysis. So my daily extremely demand and this. So let me leave it this way. Maybe when price get to that level, I know what to do.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
And we have multiple break of structure here, which is another point of
Uh-huh.
interest.
Yeah.
So based on what we are having here, market was trying to approach this zone. When price gave us this MSS, market structure shift on this level, we have this
Mm,
sell opportunity from here. You dey see say that thing where they
yeah.
talk dey work very well. See that sales opportunity from here.
Mm,
So now we are still in this bullish trend. We are still in series of higher high, no higher low, higher high, higher low. But
hello.
this market no
Okay.
too dey clear, so I need to mark this other level. No say we don get multiple demand now. Now delete this one.
Mm,
We get this demand, we get this demand, we get this demand, and all this demand we dey get. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Market no too dey clean. On 4 hour time frame, what we can identify currently, price is bearish approaching this supply. So we have break of structure here,
yeah.
abi? So this
Yeah.
is our break of structure. We have this. As a break of structure, market structure shift, sorry, break MSS. We have another break here.
Mm,
Okay. This one wey we dey see, we dey see say price dey react on previous supply. So good. Now price is giving series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So until price take this low away, if I see something like this, take this low away, back to the supply, any supply within here, I set to this downside. So let me
yeah.
check on 30 minutes. On this level, since we have this our MSS, this market dey like dey respect, dey follow it. This movement, dey respect setup. After the break, no give us any confirmation.
Mhm.
Okay, we still have another break here, substructure break again, from this one to this one. I don mark rubbish for there, MSS.
Yeah.
So make I change this one to change of character. Na same thing o, but I just wan make sure say that MSS just dey for substructure, while this one dey signify say the overhigh don change to see to choke. So we are expecting before the price tap in this supply that cause this MSS, we for look for sell to this downside, but e fail. So anything wey I wan do here, I go wait until price take this. If price take this low from here, I go look for supply
Mhm.
from this level and sell to the downside. So this will be the supply. I will look supply from this level. This will be the imbalance between those supply from here to here,
Okay.
and this will be my demand zone, supply zone to sell from. So this one go stand as my liquidity. So Finman go just align them like this as normal liquidity. So make I comot this imbalance, e go dey like that. So if market fit break, as long as market never break this one now, dey sure for me. But if market break that
Mm,
level, I go look to sell from this level, my S1 below this.
Okay. Okay.
Target the low. So this will give me target the high that that retrace back to that level. I will get like 1:4 ratio reward.
Okay.
So this will stand
Mm,
as our 4 hour, 1 hour strong. Same way we would dey analyze that time like 1 hour, 4 hours strong. So because of this one is 1 hour, this will be our 1 hour strong. So if market take this 1 hour strong, we go change and say we go dey look for buy. But if market never take this 1 hour strong, market still dey bearish to dey sell dey go. Dey approach that demand we are having there. I hope you understand the point now.
yeah.
So this other down I'm expecting will be the week. This other side will be the 1 hour week. So if I have any confirmation like this, I go dey sell dey go. Fit dey sell am dey target trend line liquidity, looking for more position from here to here. So we have trend line liquidity from. If day break, I go remind me about this pair. This thing never play out.
Okay.
But okay, we have
Okay.
another demand here. So I go something like this. We have demand here. So from that demand, I go stop anything wey we go do. I go stop am from within this area. So this will be like 1:12 ratio reward. If they buy from here, we have another area price where we add from here.
Yeah.
So from here to here, person go take like 2 TP. From here to here, TP1. From here to here, TP2. From here to here, TP3. So anything will happen. Price wey reach here, this TP2, like 1:6, we fit close everything. 1:6, good. We fit close everything.
So first, must we wait for price to take the low and come and tap into the zone,
Yes,
or once
yes.
price taps into the zone, we can enter?
If I want to wait for clean opportunity, I need to wait until price take this low like this.
Okay.
If I fit see this one go make this trade dey A plus for me. You see, if
Mm,
im fit engulf it because this previous week still dey here. This previous week still dey here. And if you check on 4 hours time frame, that place dey like level wey bin cause demand before. You dey see am now.
mm,
When we have this break of
okay.
structure, this was the strong low that caused this break. So as long as this low never break, e fit be like just liquidity sweep